Yoga and meditation didn't just change my life, it changed me. It created in me a desire, a burning desire to lead, to be in a leadership role, to serve my community, to raise my family in a conscious way, and to run my business with all of those tools and techniques behind me. And I invite you now to think of the same thing for yourself. Where in your life could you add consciousness? Where in your life can you take the next level leap? And I know it hasn't happened through business training, because that's just one element of how we need to be different in order to achieve different results. The amazing part about yoga and meditation is that it changes us on a cellular level. And when those changes come through, when we change from within, the impact around us is incredible. All of a sudden, we take this decision, we make a decision, we say yes to an opportunity, and then step by step we grow the skills in order to get to that next level in our lives. And maybe for you that's a career change, maybe for you that's starting a family, maybe for you that's stopping all of that and moving into a different area of your life that you've always wanted to explore. So I invite you now to think about how yoga and meditation can strengthen and give you the courage to be who you really are. We call that Satnam, the truth, your personal truth. And so let us help you with that. Click the link below and apply. Let's find out more about each other and see if you're the right fit for this program, if I can offer you the kind of guidance that you need to take that next step. I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist and director of YogaVision Studio.